I couldn't be happier with my experience using the CoolCove AC. After searching for a practical and portable cooling solution, I decided to give it a try, and it has completely lived up to my expectations. From the very first use, I noticed how quickly it helped make my room feel cooler and much more comfortable, especially during hot afternoons and warm nights. The setup was incredibly simple, requiring very little effort, and I was able to start enjoying the cool air within minutes. The compact and modern design blends perfectly with my home decor, and because it's lightweight, I can easily move it from my bedroom to my home office or living room whenever I need it most. One of the features I appreciate the most is how quietly it operates. Unlike many cooling units that create a constant loud humming noise, this one runs smoothly and quietly, allowing me to sleep peacefully, watch television, read a book, or focus on work without unnecessary distractions. It creates a pleasant and refreshing atmosphere that makes spending time indoors much more enjoyable, even during the hottest days of the year. Another thing that impressed me is how user-friendly it is. The controls are straightforward and easy to understand, making it simple to adjust the settings based on my comfort level. Whether I need a gentle breeze in the evening or stronger cooling during the peak afternoon heat, it performs consistently and reliably. The airflow feels refreshing, and the cooling performance has remained dependable every day since I started using it. I also appreciate the attention to design and build quality. The materials feel durable, and the overall construction gives me confidence that it's built to last. It doesn't take up much space, making it perfect for apartments, bedrooms, dorm rooms, offices, or any smaller area where a traditional air conditioner might not be practical. Its portability is a huge advantage because I can easily reposition it whenever needed without any hassle. What makes the CoolCove AC stand out even more is the convenience it adds to everyday life. Instead of feeling uncomfortable during warm weather, I can now relax, work, or sleep in a much cooler and more pleasant environment. It has genuinely improved my daily comfort, and I found myself relying on it more and more. It's also reassuring to know that it appears to operate efficiently, helping provide effective cooling without making me worry about excessive energy usage. Overall, my experience has been outstanding from start to finish. The combination of effective cooling, quiet operation, portability, ease of use, attractive design, and dependable performance makes this an excellent choice for anyone looking for a convenient cooling solution. It has exceeded my expectations in every way, and I genuinely feel it offers fantastic value for the price. I would confidently recommend the CoolCove AC to anyone who wants a reliable, comfortable, and easy-to-use cooling device. It's one of those purchases that quickly becomes an essential part of everyday life, and I'm extremely satisfied with my decision to buy it.